Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Guys, in today's video we are gonna share with you vitamin full Spanish corn and potato soup, guys. This is the recipe for us in the days of lockdown to keep us healthy at home and to eat healthy food, guys. So if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. This beautiful recipe, we are gonna need, first of all, extra virgin olive oil. In total, we are gonna use 2 tablespoons, 1 liter of still water, 1 piece of pre-boiled corn, little bit parsley, 4 tomatoes, 2 potatoes, 1 bell pepper green, and 1 onion, guys. Also, we are gonna need 2 eggs. They're not cooked yet. 3 pieces of garlic, 2 pieces of daphne leaves, and we are coming to our most beloved spices. So for the spices, we are gonna need salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, cumin, and rosemary, guys. So let's do it. Guys, let's start cooking. First of all, we open the fire on highest level. Then, first of all, we are gonna add our olive oil. In total, we are gonna use 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, there you go. The olive oil is hot. Then guys, we are gonna first add our chopped onion. So there we go. First we're gonna mix it. Once your onion gets golden, it's time for the pepper. We've cut the pepper into small sizes like this. Just add your pepper and mix them. After 1 minute, we are gonna add our diced garlic. The reason we are adding garlic now is that we want the aroma of garlic in our soup. After that, I have used the tomatoes. I have used them for tomato strainer. So after that, 4 tomatoes became just like this. We are gonna add it now. Once you add, make sure you mix it well and wait until the water of tomato is gone. Guys, the water of tomatoes are gone. So at this stage, we are gonna add first our pre-boiled corn, 1 corn. I have just basically cut the corn. You can just add it just like this. Any case, when they're boiling, they're gonna be separated. Then we are gonna add our potatoes. I have cut them into also thin slices like this. Just add them. Also at this stage, we are gonna add our spices. So what we do is just we are gonna mix with our fingers salt, black pepper, red sweet pepper, cumin, and rosemary, guys. And we are gonna sprinkle our veggies here. Mix the spices with the veggies. We are gonna add 1 liter of still water. So this is exactly 1 liter. You can measure with your 1 liter. Mix it one more time and then cover your pot with the top of the pan. I don't have top of the pan, so I'm using plate, and wait until it's boiled. Guys, it has been approximately 7 minutes, so I'm gonna open it. So it started boiling. First thing we do here is we are gonna add our daphne leaves. Just make sure they go in. Then guys, we're gonna take the eggs and break the eggs into 2 separate bowls. This is the key. So what we do is we are gonna just drop them into 2 places. After that, we are gonna add our finely chopped parsley, all of them. We are gonna leave it for 5 more minutes just like this, so we will not break the eggs while they're being cooked there, and then it will be ready, guys. So guys, it has been 5 minutes, and now it's time to close the fire. Then we take the pot, and then we are gonna serve. I will show you how it looks like. So first I would like to put a little bit of veggies, and then time for the egg. Look at this beauty, guys. Oh my goodness. Then I would like to take a little bit of oil and parsley. Voila guys, bon appetit. Guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, and please let us know in the comments what do you think about this particular recipe, guys. Guys, wishing you all to have a nice and cozy evening. Goodbye.